guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be giving you a full glam, full face using only drugstore products. All of these products are super affordable, so if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching.
Okay, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and now we're about to go into this Maybelline Master Prime Primer in the shade 100. Next, I'm going to be taking these two foundations and mixing them together. This literally gives me the perfect consistency and the perfect color for my skin. Next, I'm taking these two concealers, both from Rimmel. The first one is going to be in the shade 512 and the second one is 142. When I'm blending in my concealer, I like to use a brush first just because I feel like it helps with placing the product exactly where you want it to, and it also helps with the full coverage look, and then you go back behind it with the sponge to actually blend it into your skin. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade 30. Let me tell you about this product real quick. So when I first got this, it gave me horrible flashback. It was super hard to blend. Like, I literally hated it. And then for some reason, it just grew on me. Like, the first time you use it, I promise you it's not gonna work. And then the second time, it's like it activates it, bro, I swear. Put a little bit of that same powder on my lid just to set it so the concealer doesn't crease, and also to create a base because we're going to be applying a little bit of shadow. Now I'm taking this NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette in the shade 1, and I pointed at like 2, but I did use every single contour color in there to contour. And then for the highlight, I like to just use the yellow one just to make my face look a little bit more yellow and not so red. Now we're using Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to take the contour shade in this, and this is just going to warm up that contour a little bit because it was looking a little bit gray. So we're going to use that shade because it has a red undertone, and I know I'm kind of contradicting myself, but when you go back and forth with the reds and the yellows, I promise you it helps. Now I'm taking that same color and I'm just going to blend it into my crease and kind of wing it out a little bit. And this is just going to add some depth into your eye. I really do hate when the eye is just super light. Like, it just looks funny to me. Now I'm just going to set the rest of my face and just blend this whole look together with this LA Girl Pro Face Press Powder in the shade 10. Now I'm taking this bronzer from Wet n Wild to highlight. A lot of times I find myself using like sheen bronzers to highlight instead of actual highlight, because some highlight products can be super glittery and I don't want to look like a clown with glitter on my face. Like, it's so ugly, but this gives you like that perfect natural looking glow. Now I'm just going to be mixing a couple of those highlight shades in this palette in my inner corner, honestly, until I get the color that I want. First, I went in with that pink, but then it was a little bit too white for me, so then I just added a little bit of the gold and just kept going back and forth until I got the shade that I wanted. Now I'm taking this NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking this random black liner and I'm redoing the moles that are on my face. Next, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara on my bottom lashes and my top lashes. Now time for the melt, which is honestly my favorite part. I'm going to be mixing both the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray and also the Pearl Essence Coconut Rose Spray. I literally treat my lashes like wigs, so if they need to be cut, plucked, whatever needs to be done to them, I'm doing it. I don't care.
Bruh.
I don't remember the name of this liner, but I know it's from a beauty supply store and the shade literally just says brown. So you can honestly use any dark brown lip liner to get this same look. So for the lip combo, I had to play around with a couple of shades to get the actual color that I wanted. As you can see, I really was not feeling this pink. Like, it was too, I don't know what it was. I just wasn't feeling it. So I just went back in with this NYX Whipped Lippy in the shade 5. I'm going to go back in with that same brown liner, and I'm just going to blend the whole lip look in.
Alright guys, this is it for the completed makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow all of my social medias. They will be down below in the description. Remember to stay safe during quarantine because we don't need no more people getting sick. We're trying to flatten out the curve so we can go outside, bro. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next one. She must think she my boo. Yummy, yay. She way too cute.